phareng peit iakane video bahkan long ke jingmyntoi yapi. You look so sad. He lets you see her. No, I'm not sad. Em naglem susi. What do you want? What are you? I want to speak English. Nga kwa ban kren phareng. But I can. Tang ba ngam nang. Are you a student? Pinde ukina school? No, I'm not a student. Em ngam day ukina school. Can you teach me? Long wapini kaya nga? Yes, why not? How old was I am long? Please watch this video. It will help you. Siapa peit iakane video can rap yapi. Especially for those who want to speak English. Kamta mikito kipakwa and grandparent. I will teach you how to speak English. Nganika yapi kumno and grandparent. I hope you are happy. Nagurman bapingman. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Wating ladapi kumakala. It doesn't matter if you know only few words. Compare ladapi tiap-tang kindiat kikantin. Don't wait until you feel comfortable speaking English. What am I doing pindasnya biang ban grandparent? But speak a little English every day. Henry grandparent kindiat manla kasni. It will hurt you a lot. Can you rap shipun yapi? Try to speak with your friends. Persian ban giberlo jongpi. It will give you more knowledge. Pinsayo shipun kichingmut. Yes, from now on I will try to speak English with my friends so that I can speak English. Haoy na dumunta ng Persian ban grandparent at kiparlok ng bangan ng grandparent. I'm sure you will know if you try to speak every day. Nanti kenapin sa tip kumno ban grand lada pi Persian ban grand man lakasi. I'm happy to have a person like you. Ngagmen badon umbriw kumapi. I'm happy for you. Ngagmen nakabenta jongpi. If you don't understand, please tell me. Lada pim sing tu, sing pa ya tu inga. Okay, I will let you know. Tong ngan sa tip yapi. Thank you so much for helping me. Kumpleshibun mapilay rap yang. It's okay. We should help one another. Omnele ni hap manirap iwe.